Welcome. This is Jamb year 2010 government pass question number 13, and the question here says, in a cabinet system of government, executive power is exercised by the dash. In a cabinet system of government, executive power is exercised by the dash. A. The president. B. Monarch. C. Dominant party. D. Head of government. As we all know, cabinet system is the same as parliamentary system, and in parliamentary system there are two functional heads. Now, but the question here now say, who exercise executive power? Then we have head of government. We have what we call head of state. So the head of government exercise executive power, while head of state exercise is a ceremonial head of state, ceremonial power. So option D is correct. So in a cabinet system of government, executive power is exercised by the head of government. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.